Welcome to the Kubernetes for Developers Core Concepts course. My name's Dan Wahlin, and I'm a software developer, architect, and trainer specializing in development and container technologies. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to work with containers extensively, and I'm excited to discuss how you can leverage your existing knowledge of containers while using Kubernetes. The goal of this course is to teach you about the core concepts of Kubernetes and the key resources it provides. Whether you're learning about Kubernetes for production or simply want to run it locally for testing or other scenarios, this course will provide the building blocks you need to get started. The course starts out by providing a big picture look at what Kubernetes is, what it's composed of, and different ways it can be used as a developer. One of the key resources provided by Kubernetes is pods. You'll learn about what a pod is and how multiple pods can be used to host containers for an application. From there, you'll learn about how to create pods using deployments and learn about services and how they can be used to provide networking functionality for your pods throughout a Kubernetes cluster. As the course progresses, you'll also learn how to get configuration data into your application using config maps and handle sensitive information using secrets. Finally, you'll see how to put all of the concepts together to get an application up and running in a Kubernetes cluster. So let's get started by talking about what Kubernetes is and the benefits it can bring you as a developer.